Dear students of class 12, welcome to our online classes. I am Mahbubi Alam, Senior Lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College.
Now, dear students, today we will solve a complete creative question, and the question is Combined Board Question 2018, question number 3. Here there are three figures, figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. Look at the figure carefully. And the questions are: A. What is synchronous transmission? B. Internet can be used in third generation's mobile. Explain. C. Explain the topology of figure 1. D. Comparing with the topology of figure 2 and figure 3, which one is suitable? Analyze it. Now come to the first question. What is synchronous transmission? It is a such type of transmission system where characters are stored in a primary storage device and transmitted block by block. The time interval of one block to another block is equal. Here synchronous means equal time. That means the time interval between two blocks are same. For this reason, this transmission system is known as synchronous transmission. Now, number B, Internet can be used in third generation's mobile. Explain. Uses of high-speed internet is started in third generation's mobile. Packet switching and circuit switching technologies are used to transfer data in third generation's mobile phone. For this reason, high-speed internet is possible in third generation's mobile phone. 3G technology is known as broadband technology. Video call and mobile television are started widely in third generation's mobile phone. Now, question number C. Explain the topology of figure 1. To answer this question, you need to see figure 1 again. There is a backbone wire and a server is connected with this wire. P1, P2, P3, P4 are some computer or nodes connected with this wire directly and communicate one each other. So this topology is a bus topology. It fulfills all the characteristics of bus topology. So figure 1 is a bus topology. Here there is a backbone cable and all nodes or computers are connected with this cable. In this topology, signals are moved through this wire and specific computer can receive this signal. The advantages and disadvantages of bus topology are given below. Advantages: cost is comparatively low as only one backbone cable is used to transfer data or communicate one each other. For this reason, its cost is comparatively low. Number 2, if one computer disorder, then others can communicate one each other. Number 3, installation is easy. Number 4, speed is comparatively high. Number 5, it can be extended easily. That means new computer or new nodes can be added easily in this network. There are some disadvantages also here. If backbone cable is disordered or destroyed, then whole network will be disabled or destroyed. Number 2, if number of nodes are high, then speed will be low. Number 3, it is not suitable for large network. Now our last question, question number D. Comparing with the topology of figure 2 and figure 3, which one is suitable? Analyze it. To answer this question, you need to see the figure 2 and figure 3 again. Now look figure 2 and figure 3. In figure 2 there are three computer 1, computer 2, computer 3 connected circularly one each other. But in figure 3 there are also three computers connected circularly, but here there is some extra wire. Now in figure 2 topology, computers are connected circularly, so it is a ring topology. And in figure 3 computers are connected with extra wire, so it is a mesh topology. Comparing with ring topology and mesh topology will be suitable. The reasons are described in below. Number 1, in ring topology, if one computer disorder, then whole network will be disorder. On the other hand, in mesh topology, if one computer disorder, then others can communicate one each other. Number 2, in ring topology, there is only one cable, and if it is damaged or destroyed, then whole network will be destroyed. But in mesh topology, there is no such type of problem. Number 3, in ring topology, if there is any problem, it is too much difficult to identify and solve it. Number 4, in ring topology, if number of computer is high, then data transmission speed will be very low. But in mesh topology, data transmission speed is very high. There is number 2, there is a lots of alternate path to transfer data. Number 3, if number of computer is high, then speed does not low. From the above discussion, we can say that comparing with ring topology and mesh topology is better. Thanks everybody to observe my lecture.